Hey, welcome back. Last week, if you remember, we unboxed the Blu Vivo XL4, and today we're going to go over the top 5 reasons to buy the Blu Vivo XL4 and the top 5 reasons not to buy the Blu Vivo XL4. I've been using this phone for about a week now, and I have some things that I absolutely love about it and some things that I dislike about it, and we're going to go over it in today's video. All right, so let's talk about reason number 1 why I dislike this phone. The notch. We see this design in a lot of phones. I don't know why it's still there. I don't know why we can't eliminate it here in 2019. Reason number 2. If you look here on the back, it's actually a metal backing. I think in my last video I said it was plastic. It's actually a metal back. It's a very nice design. However, there is no wireless charging due to this design. The third reason why I dislike this phone is the micro USB charger. It would be really nice if this phone had USB-C charging. It would charge a lot faster. This phone takes a little while to charge. Just something I don't like. Reason number 4 why I don't like this phone is the headphone jack. Now, I'm being a little picky here with the headphone jack. It's on the top of the phone. I really wish that the headphone jack was on the bottom of the phone. I've kind of got used to that with some of my other phones. It would be nice if it was on the bottom. Reason number 5, now you can run all the games that you would love to run on any other phone. The one issue is that it may run a little sluggish, and we are going to load up PUBG, and I'm going to show you how well PUBG runs on this phone. Alright, so we have PUBG loaded here. So mobile games are really not my thing. I figured I'd show this game because it does have some graphics here that other games don't have. Just want to show you that it does work, it does run. It just takes a little while to load. Well, here it is. I just want to show you that the game loads. I am getting lit up, and I will be gone in about a few seconds here. Alright, so now we just went over the top 5 reasons why I dislike the phone. We're going to go over some reasons why I like the phone. Reason number 1, I love the 6.2-inch HD display. The colors are very nice and vibrant on this display. It runs smoothly. The display is a 720 by 1500 resolution with 271 ppi. It runs nice. It is colorful. You can see it in the light. Number 2, I love the dual megapixel camera on the back of this phone. It takes excellent photos. I compared it to my iPhone 8 Plus, and to be honest with you, once you color grade or do other things to your photos, it comes out great. So I recently took my kids to the playground, took some pictures of them. Here's 2 of the pictures and how they came out. I think the pictures came out excellent. Reason number 3, I love the metal build of the phone. Originally I thought it was a plastic build, but it is a metal build to this phone, and I think it's sturdy. It's also really lightweight. Something else I really like on this phone, especially compared to my iPhone, which has the fingerprint sensor here on the bottom. The fingerprint sensor here is on the back in a really nice location. Very easy to unlock your phone when it's in this location, unlike some phones that put it down here at the bottom. Number 5. For the price range, the phone has amazing performance. It loads your daily apps really quickly, something like YouTube or Facebook or your email. I wouldn't say it's the best for gaming, but it works for a lot of other daily activities that you would use on a normal basis. My final thoughts for this Blu Vivo XL4 at this price range, I believe that this is an excellent phone. If you're going to use it for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or any other daily activities, email, making phone calls, text messaging, this is the phone to get. If you want a cheap phone for your kids because you're worried about them breaking some of the more expensive phones, this is a great option for them. I was using this phone as my backup since my iPhone was getting fixed and replaced, and I would go back to this phone in a heartbeat if that phone ever broke again. I would like to thank everyone who has watched this video. If you go back to my previous video, I do an unboxing on this phone. If there's anything else you'd like to see on this phone, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to post it. And next week's video, we're going to be going over another projector from Artly. It's a portable projector from Artly. We're going to unbox this, put it up on the big screen, and check it out. So stay tuned. Wait, you really want me to put the sticker in as one of the top 5 reasons to buy the phone? Why? Has nothing to do with the performance of the phone, though. Doesn't help the phone at all. I thought we were going to just stick this onto your back bumper. Why don't we just stick it to the back bumper and we'll be done with it? No, it's not going to make the top 5. It shouldn't even make one of the top 5 reasons not to buy the phone. Forget it. I got a place for it.